Hi everyone, my name is Mengtin. Today I'll briefly introduce our paper ResMoE to you. We will be introducing from these four sections. Let's start with the introduction. Large-scale mixture of expert transformers excel at capturing diverse knowledge by selectively activating expert parameters. However, this sparse activation still requires loading all parameters into memory, making inference extremely expensive and limiting model accessibility. This raises a research question. Is there a way to compress model to save space? To tackle this challenge, we propose ResMoE, novel framework utilizing Wasserstein barycenter to identify a single shared barycenter expert. Instead of directly compressing each expert, we compress the residuals matrices between each expert and barycenter. This method effectively reduces model size in a data agnostic and training-free manner. Specifically, ResMoE first computes a barycenter expert using optimal transport that captures common features across all experts. Then we compress the differences via techniques like pruning or SVD. During inference, experts can be efficiently reconstructed, significantly improving space efficiency with minimum accuracy loss. We first performed ResMoE on switch transformer, with ResMoE successfully surpassing the baselines in the fine-tuning settings. Then, for zero-shot settings, we performed experiments on mixed-row, with similar conclusion that ResMoE is able to reach the SOTA performance. In summary, ResMoE provides a simple yet effective solution for compressing MOE models, enhancing their practical deployment and accessibility. Thank you for your attention. For more details, please check our paper and please drop by our poster sessions for discussion and please drop me an email for any question. Thank you.